Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things beauty and makeup. Today, we'll be reviewing the Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner, a product that promises to make creating the perfect wing liner a breeze. We've been using this eyeliner for a few weeks now, and we're excited to share our thoughts and experiences with you. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. The Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner comes in a sleek black pen-style packaging with a fine felt tip applicator. The applicator is flexible and glides effortlessly across the eyelid, making it easy to create precise lines and shapes. The product also claims to be smudge-proof and long-lasting, which is a huge plus for those with oily eyelids or who live in humid climates. The formula of the Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner is smooth and creamy, making it easy to apply without tugging or pulling on the delicate skin around the eyes. The pigmentation is also impressive, with a deep black color that creates a bold and dramatic look. The liner dries down quickly, preventing any smudging or transferring throughout the day. We were pleasantly surprised by how long-lasting the Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner is. It lasted through an entire day of wear without fading, smudging, or flaking. We also found that it held up well in humid conditions, which is always a plus. One thing to note is that the eyeliner can be a bit difficult to remove, especially if you're using a non-waterproof makeup remover. However, this is a small price to pay for the long-lasting and smudge-proof wearability of the product. The Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner is an affordable option, making it accessible to those on a budget. It retails for around $8, which is a great price considering the quality of the product. We also found that a little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective option in the long run. Overall, we highly recommend the Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner to anyone who wants an affordable and easy-to-use eyeliner that delivers on its promises. The packaging is sleek and easy to use, the formula is smooth and pigmented, and the wearability is long-lasting and smudge-proof. We also appreciate the affordability of the product, making it accessible to anyone on a budget. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty and makeup reviews.